we can do our mapping now. So you can do mapping with a VLOOKUP. So I've created some mapping already here, so we can use this to start off with. So we can just use a VLOOKUP. I'm going to search for that account number inside here, and I'm going to return the fourth column. And then we know we want to check if it is an error or not. So if error, then I'm going to say something like not mapped. So I did create a column called month. I'm just going to delete that because we created another one called source. So I'm just going to create that one month. Then we can just copy this down to the end. Just make sure it's to the end. So now we've mapped everything. So as you can see already, there's accounts that's not mapped. So how do you map that? We can go to our allocation sheet. We create a pivot out of the consolidated ones. So in the consolidated one, we want to actually just select the ones that says not mapped. And we want the account description. So for this pivot to be the most effective, we need this to be in a classic format, and we need the totals to be removed. So this is all our accounts that's not mapped. So I'm just going to add them to the bottom here, then just run through them. So it looks like all of them is income statement. So I'm just going to do that, and then we can just map them. So that first one is travel. So let's just go to our report, see what's on there. We've got something called communication. So this one we can take to communication, depreciation, maintenance. Let's go to our report, see what's on there. So there is one called maintenance. So let's just go copy that, put it in there. Leases, let's check if there's something called leases. Yes, there is. Audit remuneration, so that's also there. So that's also leases. So the best is just to go to the report very quickly and see what's in there. So that's bank charges. We've got cleaning as well. That will be travel. So what's general administration? That's probably other. Insurance. Maintenance. It doesn't really matter where you take it, it's just the principle, but obviously in a work environment, in your own work, you will make sure that you get it right, because this is a very important part of doing this. And the final one will be stationery. So now we've mapped everything. So just to check that everything's fine, we can just refresh this pivot and it will be clean. So that is how you map it.